Well, my member Medeama Basu, the bankroller Moses has done a great job. 2023 they won, now they won again. They've done a great job. Not difficult to do, baby. They started well. But I saw TSS league their sanity. Arsenal, who you know what it is, City. Yeah, that's what league. I bet do baby, but shall say do baby, a natural. That's how it is. And they went through some difficult times. But you see, the mark of a good team is to have a balance. Kamal Mamudu was the leading scorer of the team before Koye. And Omutono to a weak club, Al Hilal. When he went to the Champions League, he was playing matches for them. That's how quality he was. Say initially, say first you struggle, but with time, we're betting me a body. In fact, the best centre back pair consistently will be Jacob Mensah and Yusuf Mubarak. Yusuf experience, Nyansa experience or difficult to call. Nyansa, the Todibia injuries to Ikagraba consistently his play. At the time, Riksaki, any time they call upon him, especially you say you see Riksaki back, Riksaki steps in and plays so well, as if he's been a partner to Jacob. For me, Jacob Mensah has been exceptionally very well. One of the most consistent centre back in the team. Obiabeko, you see Beko Bakum, Yenubiaba, Riksaki, you pay him. It's been brilliant. For Salim Adams, the story about this young man, and yet sometimes when I listen to people talk about, listen, or you're brilliant, technically gifted with vision. The set piece. If your national team will be an anonymous set piece, but that's how good it is with set pieces. And the country will prove it. A mark of a good midfielder is not about passing the ball or contributing or assisting. It's about adding additional goals. And you'll be able to provide the needed goal through set pieces. And he's been brilliant with that. That's a mark of a good player. For Fuzitela, Manuel Mante, God knows Jakpasu, who the latter stage of the league has become consistent. Brilliant performance. Kevin Obi, he's been brilliant. Very consistent. Kingsley Bayer, solid. Kevin Nkrumah, the ball, no, baby, Sebi, the quality one, he should be playing far above what he is doing. He needs to improve. Nyami the ball, man, but on one kasane improvement. Only for you when you do baby a grown tremude and a homo. But on the whole, it's been and Coach Tanko has been solid as a coach. And in difficult times, look, the drawn came against on first drawn home game was against Samatex. Game no crap was a game that they played against Bechim. That last minute Bechim could have even won the game. Then Adriana Stars. The next day, you see Mubarak have to lose a penalty. You understand me? When Sumak Akaka Cromboy, they had a penalty. And then Omo West one. The West one has to Hawaii United. A game Felix Che goalkeeper or Che go. Penalty do so or penalty or some we still. That was their only loss at home. Those difficult times. But the most important thing is that Omo to make bounce back. Because you see team Biano. Ubo off color days bia the man kuyi baku but a team with character any team on betting me bouncing back and making sure say or be righting the wrongs. Then they've done that. Look, the game against Baseke was those brilliant moments that they could go there, a place where Sebi difficult to even end a draw there. They go there, win. But for Salim Adams penalty or miss here, that should have been 2-0 win there. So I mean, it's been brilliant performance from the bankroller to the technical team to the players. Excellent performance. The truth of the matter is that Gold Stars are there to give a chase, which is very good because we are champion. We want to show to prove that you are worth being a champion. Gold Stars did very well by giving the chase, but unfortunately, Medeama, the truth of the matter is that technically, I mean, they were the superior team this season. So for me, that's good. Now, nations are same, and I keep on saying this. Mebano can send me. You see, I can pardon him. He doesn't understand it. Sebiu, a sikani team. Yeah, part of the world. When money comes, it's not about time and season. No, you must sell. And remember, Otono, so Benya equal replacement is not that easy. By Soton, it's better Sobeton Yeskano to sustain the salaries of the players. And other factors, including vehicle, maintenance of the vehicle. You have no idea. Because yes, sika be ni sponsor be ni baby a nipa bottom na sika no free sika no yi fini business be mo. So you're part of the world. If you don't have a huge sponsorship, forget it. You must sell. And yes, sir, team no untimi hwan kolado. So that thing people must get at the back of your mind. I have a lot of journalists say, please, you must understand the business. You must sell. There be one ton bed and your players no. There be Americans. Have you bothered to find out how CEOs are running clubs in this country? You've not bothered. Oh, we are near the cheap talk. Do you know what it means to run a football club a day? You have no idea. They have to sell. That one is not right or wrong. He has to sell. Obo on the bill at that time be 500,000. The bill, Obo on the bill 700,000. Car no cry, but sisi car no cry go to police station because of the car. Do you know what it means to play for 34 games a season without sponsorship? How many clubs in this country have sponsorship? Nation they don't have. So Dr. Kwamichi, to know the any business or no, and only the boost on that you uncle you sika no free on. I need that in Masika uncle you free on. The business ain't good because of football. One day I'll come and teach you people who around football in this country, their business have collapsed, both in the past and currently. So they have to sell. The problem is this. Nation problem is not selling Chawate. Nation, they sold Nafi Suleiman. Good. Oman sell Abdul Karim. It's the numbers you sell. Oman to Abdul Karim. He spoke about Samuel before.
Todiana.
Oman to Sadiq Alasan. One of the finest defensive midfielders was one of Sadiq Alasan Macarella. Oman to Christopher Nethi. This is Christopher Nethi. Farouk Mohammed or Vision. This is Farouk Mohammed. Imane Kuntoni Berimaba. Go Stars. It's the numbers. You sold almost 10 players. And when you do that, you have big problem. This year, Bechem the same thing. Brekum Chelsea, the same thing. So you check.
And these are clubs that must struggle this season.
So I'm not saying don't sell, but the numbers, the volume. There's a virtually a new team. And that you must be ready for the consequences. And you start along like you brought a new coach. The coach must adjust. So you want to say, but the selling they must sell, but you must make the right decisions also. So they are here. So the more you are selling, you must know that it can have consequences. It takes years to build a team. So I saw you kept 4 or 5 years at a time to make sure there is a certain balance, there's a certain structure you can build upon. But so whom now who replaces so when not replace players how many of them can replace them in terms of their technical ability and quality? Who they are going to say?
And it will also take time.
All take time no quality no so our fem chen near coil. So abema the performance of the team no abba fem kakra. You understand me?
And Bibi Kakra on the Democracy Youth Cup, an interesting project.
Before me about just a minute on performance. Listen, maintain you and we have some horrible goalkeepers in the Premier League. I'm telling you, after last week we were talking about it. Look at this. Look at how he caused the goal. Now penalty no do soon or boss away. You've cost the team.
We are supporters and they're more training now. Coaching now.
Oh, that's Ghana has a bonus every here. So maybe and some of the leaders aid them to do that. Maybe For me, the point is that yes, I'm gonna draw some home games which are not good. But the reality I've said, you can't sell more than 10 players and expect to have the same quality performance like the team that nearly won the league. It doesn't work that way. It will suffer. It's unfortunate, but let's see what happens. Game against Carolina. Let's see what happens. I don't think All Blacks can come a big Kotoko here. I don't think so. That's a difficult one for them. For Young Apostle, they will qualify. Young Apostle might score some at it because they are desperately needed. I don't see All Blacks beating Kotoko here. So that might be the challenge. So if they are able to beat, they should go and try and beat Karela. Kerala only lost one game this season at home against Samatex. So there's here. So almost show fear thing. But they should try their luck. Win it and see what happens. That's how football is. We show there. Then we share near Bessie. Democracy Cup Youth Tournament. Yes. A brainchild of Mr. Speaker. Say, Kemami Kebo Mamono Sebeu. Youth no necro munti. Botana say, Yasha SOMPA for. They say, a near Fambra youth no. Na mo muti asese ade aye som no because the youth no omo na politicians e command kakrada or kono medu na wakoshi kakra okoye trouble okoye nema bebre enti yese esi no ye free so esi ye de brahan so na ye make sure say nkola no eti how be bomba enti obi kra be influence nema can say that who board democracy no buy enti wontimi nye nema ense fata. So that's the essence of we are made in edition. Yeah, every year be a quite different region. We are Greater Accra select teams. And final no Prince Tego any John Pencil team JP any Atran Divisa and a boy and Atran Divisa one and I look Prince Tego all the time present every day is brilliant. It's a good that show the commitment of and almost team in your back you could say these are former players or more scouting. Their team is not bad. Just Atran Divisa and Atran Divisa he himself will be always on the bench when it comes to the final. But other one the coaches a great performer. The tournament was brilliant. You see the organization of such teams, how organized you see it in how the team is prepared, how the team plays, and we gave them wonderful staffs and show drinks from match day 1 to the end, 2 sets of jerseys for the semi-finalists, and then the finalists a different set of jersey, and our all-star team 20 players near final, so your mamu a new set of jersey, and then Gary Bennett the scout actually 20 players so was selected, and so very soon some of them will be going for trials to see how bad. Yes, so
the long-term vision for this project, you know, when Uguntumu say they are looking more attractive, the long-term vision for this project.
Well, for us the most important thing is that one, to sustain democracy. Said Kemami Kembo Kemeko Amamonu bet tumpo a member. The long term is a member bet CSR. I say a bomb bind. Never go out to try some near. Secondly, yes, sir, the football are ye penal. Yes, sir, making sure send Colano, ye move free here, Bubromu. This 10 players are my fight. Sefano say Omoko trust, not 2-3 crapwa. It's huge. They show about the soccer school of Parliament, soccer school of excellence, democratic soccer school, and so and we are an academy. So whilst we are doing this, we are looking at the medium and long-term project. And academies, you have players in every constituency, 276 constituencies. Don't forget, you have training coaches to PE teacher from 276 secondary schools.
That is the youth project alone.
That's the youth project alone. A man who FA Cup League champions will be playing 2 weeks before the Democratic Cup in Kumasi.
Okay.
Sorry, I say. So the project is huge, but you're ponu kakra, yeah.
The last time we said this question, and one I made you say
Papa no kwa. Papa no kwa.
Hey, the one passe lobby to sustain this project so that change of government might not affect a project.
It's a good point. It's a good point, but let's see how it goes. There's been a lot of talks about that as well. So it's a good point. It's a good point, but. I hope so. Parliament will continue because it's a long term. They will continue, but whether Ambenya Ebia the needed so once Papa honorable speaker or the passion, the commitment was sorry as here, and Ebia Nipo Beba Ebia commitment no, but it's something that you can't wasn't.
Okay.
So at appropriate time, I think that Ebenya Moepa.